course, look, this is heavy. Look. All right, Chad, we're about to race. Couple food trucks right here. Coco's. Oh, look, grilled. It looks about 7:30. That's how it looks right now. Look at the view. And then we're actually gonna head down here. They got a little festival going on. Y'all see it?
Did it.
Alright, we did it. Alright, Chad, this is us after golf, day 2.
Nice.
It got hot. Yeah, we need water. We didn't eat for breakfast.
No breakfast.
Check.
Ayunas.
Yeah.
It's 2
No
o'clock.
caffeine for me either. I need caffeine. He doesn't.
2 o'clock, first meal of the day.
And he didn't tell me I had this button up the whole time, Chad. That was hot. But now we're finally gonna eat. Look at our view. Chad, our food came. I got some pork. We got the calamari. We got the fresh catch. We're gonna dig in. Chad, look, the second day, second rainbow. Why is it leading towards?
The gold is leaning towards the gold.
Alright, Chad. You know we gotta go to the beach when you're in Hawaii. Oh, would you? Oh, that's fresh. It's not really cold. It's not warm like Guam. Chad, look, this is the body of a prime athlete right here. Show him. Alright, Chad, we're about to race. Let's see what happens. Chat, look at this loser. Let's see. Look, he just got here. What do you have to say for yourself?
Not a fish.
So what am I?
A whale.
Alright, chat, we're about to get some shots for y'all, but look how fake this looks. I don't know if y'all see it. It's like bush trees. You can't even see the dirt.
Yeah. Looks like thick moss or
Oh yeah,
something.
thick moss on a rock too. Look at this. Y'all see it? It's McDonald's everyone talks about.
Cocos. Some cocos too. Fresh cocoa.
Couple food trucks right here. Coco's. Oh look, grilled.
Ooh, that looks good.
Elotes?
We're gonna have to get
Elotes?
some of that on the way back.
Cooking something. Damn. Yummy huli grill. Oh, yep. Oh, they're roasting a pig on the ground. That's a carne asada from Mexico.
That's the kind of stuff.
Chat, it's happening. Look, the chickens are crossing the road. And the roosters. Look, that one's waiting. Excuse me, why did you guys cross the road? Anyone? Oh, they don't do interviews, I guess. Chat, there's a face in the mountain. Y'all see it? Right there.
that?
Chat, what is that? Oh, that's Moana hook.
Oh, it's
What is it? It's the hook. Chat, what does that look like? Maui's hook. Look, from this point of view, what does this look like? Right here. What does that look like? Check that out. Chat, I recommend this place right here. Rainbow's Drive-In. You have to get the whatever the good plate, the 3 meat plate. If I remember, it was like fish, pork, and steak, maybe, I believe. I don't know. Alright, chat, we made it back to the room. It's about 7:30. That's how it looks right now. Look at the views. Sunset's about to be in 30 minutes. Then look at the sky. See the sailboat out there? And then we're actually gonna head down here. They got a little festival going on. Y'all see it? So we're gonna freshen up and go out there. Day 2, Saturday. Look at the background, sunset.
Dude,
We got done with golf. It looked kind of CGI. We got done with golf. We're on the island. It's not a green screen, chat. We just freshened up. You were fit. We're about to go down. There's a little market. Look, this street right here is a whole market right now. So we're gonna go get some food, see what we see. Chat, we walked around for 39 minutes the whole thing. We had some skewers, some malasadas, probably other skewers. And we're gonna taste it and see how it is. The malasadas, chat, y'all can't see them. We got the view, bush guy. Chat, we just had that. To me, honestly, it wasn't all that. It was cold to me. The best thing I had was the meatball. The malasada was pretty good though. It was pretty filled up. You liked it or what? It was like whatever.
No, it was whatever.
Alright, chat. So next, chat. Look, just let you know we made it to the tourist area. We did it.
Jeez. Match. What up, shit?
Say, we did it.
Did it.
Alright, now say Hawaii. I'm inside you. Say it.
No, I'm not gonna say that.
Come on. Chat, they're getting groovy at the White House. Alright, chat, it's gonna be our next one. Alright, chat, this is what we ordered. Pork mozzarella cutlet with chorizo gravy. Alright, chat, first, god damn, first look. This is heavy, look. It's 2. That was a lot of rice. What it look like, chat, we're about to dig in. Chat, we just ate that. That was a dub, chat. That was $16 for that big plate. I think that's the best thing we had so far, and it was worth it.
$16 and we couldn't finish it.
Yeah, we didn't finish it. It was a lot of rice, but
Well,
hey,
worth it.
I think was it pork
was,
mozzarella with chorizo gravy. That was fire.
Yeah, that was real good.
I recommend it. And look, I'll show you where we're sitting. Look, free entertainment. It's the Bush guy. We came back. Alright, chat, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Probably buy some souvenirs and then head back for tomorrow's golf. Alright, we'll see ya. Alright, chat, the Chucky Bros are done with this episode. We are now off to our room.